Hey guys, Robert Field and Bailey Munson here from Lightning Kayaks, and in this video we're going to show you how to check and replace the gasket on the drain plug of your Lightning Kayak Strike. Super simple.
So this is your drain plug. It has a gasket underneath that you might want to repair or replace someday. You can take this off by just unscrewing it like this. The gasket sits right here. Take your new one, just place it on like so. And put it back on right there.
And that's literally all there is to it. So these gaskets, over time, out in the sun, heating up, salt water, sand, grit, they get into these gaskets and they'll wear them down. So it's good practice every single year, kind of give your boat, go over it with a fine-tooth comb, check all the gaskets, and if they need to be replaced, they can be ordered right from our website. Make sure your boat stays dry and in tip-top shape for years to come. Thanks for all your help, Bailey.
Yeah, no problem.